Hello there, fellow mainframers and computer performance analysts. It is Peter Enrico here with Enterprise Performance Strategies with some information about our ZOS performance educational offerings. If you're someone looking to learn more about how to optimize your mainframe resources while also improving the performance of your workloads, then you will be interested in our 3 ZOS workshops that will teach you exactly this. In fact, not only will you learn how to do this during our workshops, but you will be doing an actual analysis of your own environment. During this video, I'm going to briefly explain our 3 ZOS performance educational offerings. Hey there, this is Peter Enrico of Enterprise Performance Strategies and co-creator of Pivotor. My team and I are here to help you get great workload performance and optimal resource usage in your mainframe operating system. Our education and our software are geared towards helping you get better performance results and faster. We want to teach you how to do what we do. As mentioned, we here at EPS teach 3 ZOS performance workshops, and during this video I will briefly introduce to you each one. I hope they pique your interest. But before we begin, I want to stress to you a few features that are common to all of our workshops that make them relatively unique compared to any other ZOS performance education you may be considering. First, before each workshop, we request that you send us a set of your own SMF data, your own measurements. Then during the workshop, you will be examining reports created from this data. In fact, we advertise our classes as both instruction while you're doing an actual analysis of your own environment. You will leave this class with recommendations you can then present to your management and your team. Then weeks after the class, we give you the opportunity to submit another set of SMF data, and we will arrange with you a web call with you so you can review and discuss the changes that you made as a result of the class. Second, we want to assure you that these performance classes are taught by ZOS performance specialists with experience and lots of hands-on experience that is deep and vast. ZOS performance is our thing. We work with dozens of installations and hundreds of systems each year, and our experience is firsthand, and when we look at your data, we do so with a keen eye with interest in you getting the most out of the class experience. Third, I want to stress that in addition to the traditional class experience of enrollment, all of our workshops are also available for private in-house instruction. We can customize each workshop for your specific installation educational needs. Details of our ZOS performance workshops can be found at our website, which is www.epstrategies.com. Finally, our workshops are extremely affordable. We offer a lot of personal one-on-one discussions because we want to help ensure you get not only a great learning experience, but you get enough value out of the class that any money spent more than pays for the class itself. Our first workshop is our essential ZOS performance tuning workshop. This class is taught by my esteemed colleague Scott Chapman, one of the smartest people I know. He is a great instructor, and his vast ZOS experience and knowledge make him the perfect instructor for this class. The workshop covers the foundations of ZOS performance and tuning and includes measurement, analysis, and tuning tips and techniques. Scott provides the foundation for you to better understand mainframe technologies. Specific areas covered in this workshop include the resources of processor, memory, DAS-DIO, the basics of workload manager, and software pricing as its relationship is to performance and capacity. The performance exercises of this class will be you performing a ZOS performance health check of your own environment. The second workshop is our Workload Manager Performance and Reevaluating Goals workshop. I teach this class, and sometimes Scott will co-teach with me. My background for this class is as someone who was part of the original Workload Manager algorithms design and development team while at IBM. This class is everything about ZOS Workload Manager. You will be introduced to the WLM constructs and controls, how WLM works, specific recommendations to each workload type, and so much more. The class exercises will be you examining your own WLM service definition and measurements with the objective of achieving an optimal WLM setup for your workloads and resources. If you want to learn how to do a WLM health check, I assure you, you will find no better and more complete class. The final class is our Parallel Sysplex and Performance Tuning Workshop. Now, this class is about how to effectively measure and monitor and tune coupling facilities, structures, and the data sharing environment. During this class, you will be taught the performance basics of Sysplex and Parallel Sysplex, as well as data sharing and how data sharing actually works. Also covered in this class are the ZOS system logger, as well as other Sysplex-related subjects. The class exercises revolve around you examining your measurements for the optimal setup of your coupling facility environment with the objective of reducing the CPU cost to your ZOS operating system while getting the optimal performance of your data sharing workloads. So that's a high-level summary of our 3 ZOS performance workshops. Now, here's an offer for you. If you register for one of these workshops and mention this video, we will give you a 10% discount on the class registration. We promise you a class experience full of learning as well as doing an actual analysis of your own environment. As a reminder, our website is www.epstrategies.com, and there you will find detailed outlines about all of our workshops. So that's it from me, Peter Enrico. Do not hesitate to email me if you have any questions about any of our workshops, and I hope to see you in them one day. Enjoy the day, and again, if you have any questions, you just give me a holler, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Good luck, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.